Hi, my name is Edward Santibáñez, and in this video, I want to talk about how culture and self-awareness have influenced the way I see the world, and also to present an idea to help people promote their connection and respect among people in the Tecnológico de Monterrey. Well, culture is everything that shapes who we are as values, traditions, language, and also how we relate to others. And self awareness means understanding our own identity, emotions, and beliefs so we can interact with respectfully with people who see the world differently as us. Well, I realize that globalization has changed the way I see myself and others also through university projects, class, the social media, and also video games online. I have met people from different countries and also from different states of Mexico, and every interaction with one of them has taught me a little bit something. For example, I used to think that everyone communicated the same way as I did, the way I talked or the way I think. But working with my classmates has taught me even small things. I have noticed like small things in their way to communicate, like how some ones are direct, talk straight, or even their humor, and this can completely change how the message is understood. And these moments have also helped me to be more flexible and also to be more aware of my own habits. I learned to listen first instead of like talking, also to adapt to them, because I want to create like a common ground for everyone to be their selves instead of being like afraid to show their real selves. This experience have made me realize that self-aware is essential in a globalized world because it helps to understand your own biases, as I was saying, and build empathy instead of judging others because they talk differently or because they think differently, and that is not incorrect. Like they people are themselves and they have been taught or educated differently as us here in Mexico. And also it is not always easy to being like adaptive or even to understand these cultural misunderstandings, because these happen and they can become opportunities to us to grow and to stay open and like curious. And these actually help us a lot to understand our identity and to give us the tools to coexist and to cooperate with each others. Also, well, my proposal is based in this reflection, and it is just like a campus program where students can be their own and share stories or foods, traditions, and these will be throughout like a month with daily activities, cultural days. I was saying storytelling nights or empathy workshops. And the idea of these monthly cultural thing is to create like respectful spaces for people from other countries and to connect with people and who people that are curious to know more about the world and to celebrate the difference and to discover that they are not they are very alike than they think, and that they have a lot of in common. Also, there are three important questions that they need to be answered, and the first one being how can we communicate effectively with diverse groups? Well, we can communicate by listening and by being open and adapting our communication style and to also start respecting others and understand how they see the world differently as us. And also, the second question would be, why does diversity improve productivity? Well, if you have a team with different minds and different ideas, they can this team can bring more creativity and innovation. And also, with these all different backgrounds, we can solve problems in new and smarter ways. And what should a leader do to handle cultural conflict? Well, I think a good leader encourages a like dialogue. It also stays calm within a conflict and focuses instead of blaming and pointing fingers to someone who is not from the same space as him. And also, a good leader has to be empathic, because he can turn a conflict into a resolution by being empathic and understanding like the problem and what is originating, and maybe it's all a communication problem. Well, in the end, like communication and self-awareness and cultural understanding help us grow not only as students, because culture doesn't end in the university. It ends in like it is in the global, in the world. And so it also helps us to grow as people. And when we connect through people with respect, and we create a stronger and more united community. Thank you.